Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I was going to come out and do some grocery shopping in the backyard grocery store, but I wanted to give you a tour of what's going on in the garden first before we do that. This is my California Wonder Pepper. I put it in this pot sometime in maybe September of last year, and it didn't do very well. But then all of a sudden, once it got cooler, it really took off. It has doubled pretty much in size, and currently it is loaded with blooms and little small peppers. So hopefully, whatever I did, I can continue doing it, and they grow. Probably toward the end of this month, the beginning of next month, I should have a very good harvest of peppers. There's a phrase from one of the Jurassic Park movies that says, nature will find a way, or life will find a way. And these next two plants that I'm going to show you is a perfect example of that. This plant is one of my Tabasco peppers that I cut down late last year. Got tired of it. I didn't remove the stump, however, and guess what? It has grown back. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I'm kind of leaning toward, when I get ready to move, to take it with me. So that's one less pepper plant I have to plant. This one is the same thing. I cut it down, but I didn't remove the stumps or anything like that, and it has grown back. So I'm not sure, again, what I'm going to do with it, but I'm kind of leaning toward taking it with me. Everything in the garden is so green and doing real well. This is parsley that you're looking at. My basil plant, I don't see it anymore, so I'm assuming that it died. But I really haven't been doing anything to this plant other than watering it occasionally, and it has grown real big. It looks real good. And this is my rutabaga plant. This is my callaloo plant or amaranth plant. And behind it, we have a cabbage plant. The leaves are growing and it looks like it's trying to form a head. Everything is doing real well. It looks like the amaranth is trying to flower a little bit. In another video, I'm probably going to harvest some of this and try to cook it to make callaloo. One of my many variety of collards. Another one and another one. Swiss chard. A volunteer radish that's doing real well. I had some old Amelia turnip seeds that I planted on December 24th. They have not sprouted yet or anything like that. So I'm probably going to use this space and some space in the other raised bed for some plants that I have inside. They are some lettuce, and I also have some Brussels sprouts and some other stuff that I'm going to put in the garden. Here is my green stalk with all my onions in it. I have two different types, red and white. And I also have one collard green. This is a Nancy Wheaton purple collard, and it is doing fantastic. Georgia Southern collard, and that one on the end as well, and a cabbage. So what my main purpose today was is to cut some collards. I cut collards before Christmas. We had them for Christmas dinner, and it's about 2 weeks later, and it's time to cut them again. So I'm gonna bring you along. This is a Georgia Southern collard plant, and we're going to harvest the leaves. They look marvelous. It's enough from that one. Here is the Nancy Wheaton purple collard, and we're going to get a couple leaves from here. Huge and pretty. Nice mess of these right here. Well, we got some more to go to. Another Georgia Southern collard here. Hey, you'll notice that I'm using the cut and come again rather method. I'm not pulling up the whole plant, and in a couple weeks, if that long, it'll be grown back. Hey, this is a greasy collard, and the reason that they call them greasy, the collard, the leaf is a little bit more shiny and waxy than other collards. These are from the hydroponic, and they look real good, and they'll go along with the harvest. So I want to thank you for coming along while we did some shopping in the backyard grocery store. We got a good amount of collards. It's enough for one good meal, which is what I was hoping for. Family will like it, and I'm happy with how everything has turned out. If you're interested in any of the seeds that I used or anything like that, go ahead and head over to my Amazon storefront or my website, and you can see where I got them from. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. As you can see, I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. And you can share my content. Leave me a comment in the comment portion of the video and I will respond to it. And until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. We'll see you in the next one.